Hi guys, Jen here, doing a day in the oily life. Haven't done these in a little bit because I've moved and things have been like kind of chaotic and I need to have more hours and things that got different bills. But anyways, day in the oily life, I'm going to show you how to make a smoothie with one of our Young Living products. Alright, so since I kind of don't have a lot of time a lot of times and a lot of things affect my stomach and my gut flora, I don't really eat properly. So what I like to do is I like to use one of Young Living's products, which is called Balance Complete. This one's vanilla cream. I got it not too long ago. And all you need to do is make a smoothie. So I've got my own little pulser, mixer, juicer here. It's a blended jet. I got it at my last job. I've got my strawberries that I already had and some other frozen mixed vegetables. And then my oat milk, because I don't do a lot of dairy, so for making it a little bit more creamy. So what I like to do is I like to kind of put a little bit of this and a little bit of that in here. What I will do is I will put 2 full scoops of the Balance Complete in the bottom, because you always want to kind of put your powder or whatever in the bottom. And this will hold me over for a while. And I'll explain a little bit later with that. And actually, I'll do a video by itself on the Balance Complete. And what it does, it just basically is easy peasy meal replacement. It's got a whole bunch of cool things in the back for you. Tons of vitamin A, D, all the minerals and things. Awesome. And then I put some of these mixed berries. The mixed berries I'm a little bit iffy about because, you know, some of them are like blackberries and stuff and they got hardcore seeds. So if you don't really like some seeds, just stick with the berries that you like. These have like blueberries, and blueberries are very good for antioxidants and things, and it's actually got a lot of some juice in here. So just kind of pour that in there. And then, whoop. And then I get my strawberries. Make sure that berry juice doesn't stain either, because that can get really messy if it stains. So just be careful. Words to the wise. I did that the other day and it soaked. Alright, and then you put some strawberries in there. I already cut these up. I already pre-prepped them, which is really cool. And this is going to get a little loud with the mixer. And then you put your oat milk or whatever. You can even do a banana if you want a little bit more smoothie instead of doing any kind of dairy additive. And then you put the cover on. Oh, I think I'm going to top it out a little bit more with some strawberries. And you can do like whatever you want. You can put like whatever. You can put peaches. I usually just had some like little peaches that I had that one day or whatever. And then you mix it up. And then you got your pure protein shake, or Balance Complete, not pure protein. That's another one that I have. Okay, so then you just hit the button. This is the cool thing about this guy. Does the work for you. Awesome, right? Done. Great. Just pulses it for about a minute. And then we're good. And there you go. That's good. I'm not really a fan of the seeds, but hey, had to get the thing used up because it's in the refrigerator. So there you go. Meal replacement. Great for on the go if you're gonna go out with friends or anything, or go hiking or whatever. You need something in your stomach. And that's my day in the oily life. I don't know what episode this is on because I kind of forgot where we were, but hey, welcome to that crazy life. All right, please subscribe. Hit the subscribe button below. Hit the bell to get all the notifications. I will be uploading all my other stuff as well because my crazy life is crazy. And I will keep you guys in touch with what's going on. All right, bye for now.